Alright, good morning. We're going to go through a little tool haul for this week. Start off something my dad picked up for me. It's a little steam engine. Over here so you can see. There's the flywheel. It's missing the piston. So we'll get on and see if I can't find a piston. Get this little toy steam engine running. Next up, these are from auctions. Let's see, this one. $5. No reason why I got this other than I just threw out a bid and I won it. A little bit of oil in there. Singer. No barcode, said be praised 70s. Got a bait box here. There we go. Open it up for your worms and you can roll it to lock it in. This one I just threw out an opening bid of $2.50. Some enamel doorknobs. White. Black one. No marks I could see on these. They're stuck, I guess. These ones again. Couldn't see a mark on them. Some drawer pulls. Are these insulators maybe? I don't know. But they're glass as well. Got a spray nozzle. Rainbow. Patent applied for. That is brass. And another nozzle here. Just move out of the way. And it says the Oakland with a patent date of September 24th, 1901. This might be fun to play with here. This one is another opening bid of $2.75, but there's a, let's open this up, an apron, just a lightweight canvas apron, and indoor wireless outlets. Why I bid on this, I don't know, because it was $2.50. This box here was, again, $2.50. We got a saw. You can see a name there. Wilson. Let's see here. Yeah, Wilson. Okay, so we got a saw. Got some nippers. I couldn't see a name on them anywhere. These almost look like they're homemade. Got a little nail puller there. Pair of Wiss shears. Got an auto wrench, 9-inch. I have no idea what that is. I got this toolbox with tools, $5. honestly, I haven't even looked to see what we've got here. So we've got made in Japan. Something stinks in there too. We've got chrome vanadium. Other than that, no marks. That's the stink right there. Craftsman 7/16 nut driver. Drop forged steel out of Brazil. Fitting, acid brush, little hook, hacksaw blade, fitting, and bottom. Then I'll go to the farm. You got a drill with a really gnarly cord. There's marks right there. Let's see if I can't see it. Hang on. Man, that cord is gnarly. Gnarly. And Jacob's chuck on it, but I couldn't read the tag. That's some pipe sealer. That ought to still be good, right? Chunk of steel. Little file. Masonry bit, 1/4 inch. And another little bracket. But anyway, well, at least the box is worth $5 and maybe that weed eater string. But anyway, thanks for watching. So I was putting stuff away and I saw there was some tape on the box. Like somebody taped over the badge there and painted it. So let's get this tape off and see what it is. You can start to guess, but hey, look. Right up here. There. I think I can guess what it is. How about you? Let's see if I can't do a reveal. There you go. Craftsman crown. Now, if you can tell me how old this is, do it. But hey, I'm excited to see that. Thanks.